For this small batch green chicken chili recipe with sweet potatoes, we're going to reach for store-bought roasted tomatillo or Salsa Verde. It's the key ingredient. It's easy to adapt your large crock pot into a smaller crock pot using a small baking dish. Now let's place those chicken thighs and season them with some salt and some pepper. Now let's add the key ingredient, the Salsa Verde. Follow that up with our diced sweet potatoes, some cumin, and chicken broth. Cover and cook for 4 to 6 hours. Then you'll have the perfect amount of chili for two. For more small batch chili recipes, check out ourtablefor2.com.